The secret life of plants. Understanding growth and productivity. Imagine a vast field of maize, the golden stalks swaying gently in the breeze. Despite all belonging to the same species, some maize plants stand taller and produce more cobs than others. Have you ever wondered why? Despite being the same species, some maize plants grow bigger and produce more? The answer lies in a fascinating interplay of genetics, environment, and nurturing. Introduction to plant growth. Plants, like all living organisms, have their unique growth patterns and productivity levels. However, several factors influence why one plant might outperform its neighbor. These include genetic makeup, soil quality, water availability, light exposure, and even the presence of certain microorganisms in the soil. Genetics, the blueprint of life. At the core of any plant's potential is its genetic makeup. Just like humans, plants inherit traits from their parent plants. These traits determine various aspects such as height, leaf size, cob size, and yield. In a population of the same species, genetic variation can result in significant differences in growth and productivity. For instance, some maize plants might have a genetic predisposition for faster growth rates or more efficient nutrient uptake. These genetic advantages can give them a head start, allowing them to grow bigger and produce more than their counterparts. The role of soil. Soil quality plays a crucial role in plant growth. Rich, well-drained soil packed with essential nutrients provides the perfect environment for plants to thrive. On the other hand, poor soil can stunt growth and reduce productivity. Different plants in the same species might find themselves in varying soil conditions. A maize plant rooted in nutrient-rich soil will naturally grow larger and more robust than one in depleted soils. The presence of organic matter, pH levels, and soil texture all contribute to this disparity. Water and light, the essentials of life. Water and light are fundamental to photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy to fuel their growth. Plants receiving ample sunlight and water are better equipped to perform photosynthesis efficiently, leading to more vigorous growth. However, not all plants get equal access to these resources. Some might be shaded by taller plants, while others might be in areas where water is scarce. These differences in resource availability can lead to variation in growth and productivity within the same species. Microorganisms, the hidden helpers. Beneath the surface, a bustling community of microorganisms play a vital role in plant health. Beneficial bacteria and fungi form symbiotic relationship with plant roots, aiding in nutrient absorption and protecting against diseases. Plants with a healthy population of these microorganisms are likely to grow bigger and produce more. Conversely, plants in soils lacking these beneficial organisms might struggle, leading to smaller size and reduced yields. Human influence, the art of cultivation. Human intervention through cultivation practices also significantly impacts plant growth. Farmers and gardeners often select and propagate plants with desirable traits, such as high yield or disease resistance. This selective breeding enhances the overall productivity and growth potential of the species. Additionally, practices such as fertilization, irrigation, and pest control can create optimal growing conditions. Plants receiving consistent care and attention are bound to outperform those left to fend for themselves. Case study: maize in the field. Let's delve into a specific example to illustrate these concepts. Consider a field with several maize plants. Despite being the same species, some maize plants produce more cobs and grow taller than others. Here is why. Genetics. Some maize plants might be genetically predisposed to bear larger cobs and have stronger stems. Soil quality. Plants in well-composted, nutrient-rich soil will grow more robustly than those in poor soil. Watering. Consistent watering ensures that plants have the moisture they need to sustain growth. Light exposure. Maize plants receiving full sunlight will photosynthesize more effectively than those in partial shade. Microorganism. Healthy soil teeming with beneficial microbes helps plant absorb nutrients efficiently. Cultivation practices. Regular fertilization, pest control, and proper spacing can significantly boost a maize plant growth and productivity. The symphony of growth. The growth and productivity of plants are a symphony of various factors working in harmony. While genetics set the stage, environmental conditions and nurturing practices play the leading roles in determining which plants will thrive. Understanding these factors allow gardeners, farmers, and botanists to create conditions that optimize plant growth. By selecting the right seeds, improving soil health, ensuring adequate water and light, and fostering beneficial microorganisms, we can encourage plants to reach their full potential. Embracing the diversity. In the end, the diversity in growth and productivity within the same plant species is a testament to the intricate balance of nature. Each plant's journey from seed to bloom is influenced by a myriad of factors, making every field a unique tapestry of life. As we cultivate our fields and farms, recognizing and embracing this diversity allow us to appreciate the wonders of nature. Whether you are an experienced farmer or a curious observer, the next time you see a particularly thriving maize plant, you will know there is a fascinating story of genetics, environment, and nurturing behind its success.